Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and thank you so much for your continued support. Today I want us to look another method that is called the long division method. This is a technique, one of the techniques actually used to divide polynomials. And it proceeds like this. So we're being asked to divide this polynomial that has 4 terms with another polynomial of 2 terms. So we write the long division sign like that, and the term that is being divided, we write inside the sign, that is x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x minus 12. And then the term that divides, we put it outside the sign, which is x minus 2. So this process is a recursive process in that there are steps that are repeating themselves. So the first thing first, we have to take the first term here. We divide it with the first term in that polynomial. So we have to do it somewhere. That is x cubed divided by x. If you divide that using the laws of indices or using cancellation, then we'll get x squared. So we'll come and write our x squared at the top there. Then the next thing we do, it is to subtract. We subtract the product of x squared and x minus 2, which happens to be x cubed minus 2x squared. So I usually put this bracket so that I'm careful about the signs. Remember, if you miss something there, then it'll make everything wrong. So then we subtract, and here we subtract like terms, and like terms are simply terms with the same power. So x cubed minus x cubed collapses to a 0. Then we have 3x squared minus 2x squared becomes 5x squared. Then we have to drop the term that follows. In this case, it's minus 4x. So we drop it with the sign. Then again, we repeat the procedure again. We take the first term there, divide by the first term there. So that means we have 5x squared divided by x. If you use the laws of indices, then we'll have 5x. So we'll come and write 5x at the top. It's positive. So it will be plus 5x. Again, we'll have to subtract. But we are simply subtracting the product of the 5x we got and x minus 2. So that product is simply 5x squared minus 10x. Again, be careful of the signs. It's a problem that I've seen a lot of times. 5x squared minus 5x squared gives us 0. Then we have minus 4x minus 10x. That gives 6x. Then we have to drop the term that follows again, and that term is simply minus 12. And we repeat the procedure for the last time. That is 6x divided by x, which will cancel x, and x will be left with x. And then we have to add the 6 we get. It's positive, that's why we write it as 6. Then we subtract the product of 6 and the term that is outside there, which happens to be 6 minus 12. If you subtract, you get a 0 and a 0. And therefore, the answer becomes the top by the quotient x squared plus 5x plus 6. Thank you so much, guys. I hope this one helps. Yes, thank you. And continue watching and continue subscribing and sharing with your friends and relatives. Thank you.